Hodge, binalik kay Banquero. Kick out pass to Newsome. Will he get his first field goal? Yes, he will.
I'm looking at Sean Miller, really appreciative of that Nunu 3-point.
Jason to Alejandro, one more try, no good. But Williams is there for the easy jam.
The throwdown using his offhand. Reinforcement po ng Phoenix. Sabi niya,
Game for Phoenix Super LPG at 17. Nusa on the attack.
Mamacita, my goodness.
Kinailangan na ni Coach.
Alang ay susugal na yan si Chris Newsome.
That is another foul.
Okay. Tyler Teo is going to turn the corner. That corner was called Sean Miller. So, yan ang ginawa niyang leverage. Yung hita ni Sean Miller pero sa midsection na tinamaan.
Might have caught them below the belt kaya hanggang ngayon, no? Hindi pa makabangon itong si Sean Miller. So this would be crucial. 2 free throws and ball possession.